How's it going? So I'm going to show you how to use material, well, AngularJS, old material, to position element, basically. Okay. So what we're trying to accomplish is we're trying to create a div that is going to stretch the full height and width without this, scroll bar appearing, because then it's not very flexible. So the first way to do it is very, very simple, which is, so we're gonna take this one here. Okay, so the first way to do it, let's just get rid of this stuff, is to put layout column to the body. Body by itself takes full width and height, so when you set layout to column, all other elements, so for example, let's say we create div, we put flex, and then let's just put some style on it. Well, let's just copy and paste. Where is the style with green? Okay, let's just do this. Style green like this. I should do it. Okay, so we have one div in it. Now nothing is happening. So if we put flex into it, display flex basically, you'll see that it's going to stretch the whole page. Okay? Because the problem is always the height. The width is just all elements automatically go div, but the problem is always the height. Right? So one way of doing it, again, you set body to layout column, you create div, and then you put flex, and it will take the full height. Okay? So this is one way of doing it. The second way, because a lot of the times you do not have control of the body, or you don't want to mess with it, because you can just wipe out and you can just mess up the whole app basically. So you create a div, right? Then we do style height 100%. I'll just show you that what's going to happen is it will take up, you see, so we have this thing appearing, height 100%. You see the scroll bar is appearing in here. You probably can't see it, but let me just zoom in a little bit. You see it's barely visible, but it's there. There's a scroll bar. Alright, so to eliminate this, we put flex like this, and then this should eliminate it, right? That's it, you see. So now this is the parent div. Okay? So next, so this is sort of like a replica of a body to some extent, right? So now, because we already have body, one second. Since we have body, we can do, let me just think. Yeah, so it has to have flex, right? And then, but realistically speaking, so this, if this is a body replica, we should be able to just take this thing and just stick it into it, right? And in theory, this should, no, yeah. I know what the problem is in here. One second. Okay, I'm getting lost a little bit as well. Okay, what we're trying to do, we're trying to get this div to be the full width. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so now it's done. That's kind of what we wanted to do. We wanted this thing to be full width and full height. So one more time, okay, one more time. Let's just, we are trying to get a div inside of the body to be full height and full width. Alright, so one way to do that is we can set body layout to column. Okay, and then we can create a div. It's gonna be flex. And let's do style equals background color red. Okay, so this will make the whole thing red, right? Okay, so there it is. So that's one way of doing it. So now we have the body, which is antique color or whatever it's called. Okay. So now we want we want just the div to be full height and full width without those little annoying thingies appearing, the scroll bars. Okay, so we put it as flex, and then we're going to style equals height 100%, and then that's it. That's all you need to do. And then background color red. Yeah, so you see that's it, it's done. And based on that, you can now position elements inside of it. So this is sort of like a replica of body to some extent. And the difference why, because divs do not normally take up the full height, but body does. So that's kind of why you have to put height 100% and also do this flex thing. Because without flex, you're gonna have scroll bars appearing, right? Let me see. Huh. Yeah, so scroll bars are not appearing right now. Okay. You can just set it to 100%. If they do appear, just set it to flex, just in case. And then they will definitely disappear. Okay, take care, bye-bye.